Hi guys, so I wanted to let you know that I'm back with a vlog. So today I'll be going to my in-laws because it's the birthday of my sister-in-law. So here I am. I just came out of the subway. Come with me today, okay? I didn't eat at home, so I'm gonna eat first. And after that, we'll get on the last train to get my in-laws. Bye-bye. So, kung saan na naman ako napadpad. Yeah. Yeah. So, my mother-in-law is looking for me. But, yeah. I'm going Dora Dora.
Hi, gay na. Hello, mag-hi ka mo. Kapag sa kay ikaw. Naglalaro ako. Naglalaro ka, kat-kat. Ay, iya. Ay, Philip. Eris. Eris, hello. Hello, baby. Diyan na lahat ang kapal.
Go girl, yes. Yes, kaya nyo yan. Kaya nyo yan, guys.
Uy, nagod yung baga. Kanya ko eh. Nagod yung baga. Hi guys. So, with the amusement we're done. Kami na yung nagsara ng mall, guys.
Ayan, kumalma na. Ano may tao doon, no? Ano na sa rooftop? Rooftop na yan. Diba? Ay, nako.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us high.
Kaya nag-enjoy ka ba?
The night's young
Yan na yun.
and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Perfect.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.